Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a fun stitch combination of a single crochet and double crochet. Now to start off, you want to do any multiples that you wish. For this tutorial, I am doing 20 chains. And this is just fun to give any kind of project some texture or some pizzazz. Alright, here we go. So once you got your chain foundation, you want to chain 1, and you want a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And we will repeat this all the way to the end of the row. Here we are on the last stitch, doing our last single crochet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull my tail taut, but I'm also going to tuck it into my work on the next row. So we want to turn our work, we want to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to take the tail and kind of tuck it back. And as I work this double crochet, I'm going to kind of just loop that right over, so I'm just kind of tucking the tail into the work. It's not really getting crocheted into anything, it's just being tucked in as I do my double crochets. Alright, and then we will double crochet all the way across the row. And if you need to know how to single crochet or double crochet, I will put down in the description 2 links to where you can find how to do those 2 stitches. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like, but let's do another quick row of single crochet and double crochet. So each row will just be an alternate of the other one. So one row is single crochet, one row is double crochet. And just keep doing that all the way until you end up getting your desired height and your desired look. Alright, here we are at the end with our last double crochet, and you can see how that just gives it more texture and more definition. It really does give it a more elegant look to your projects. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I hope you have a happy crochet day.